Hello everyone, today I will show you how to center a fillable text field using Nitro Pro PDF Editor. Open your fillable PDF from Nitro Pro PDF Editor and I'll center this fillable text box. Now select from option and here you will find select field. Now click on this text box and select and this align option and you can center this one vertically and see this and it's horizontally. Also you can simply select both and this are now centered middle of these pages. Also you can align this all of this vertically center and see this. And you can center this one horizontally and also you can fix this alignment left and this vertically and this one also you can align this left and this vertically and so on. In this way you can fix this your text boxes alignment. Yeah, and finally say this file option save or save as your fillable PDF form. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.